Shimmy, your daddy's coming. What are you eating?
I'm eating ice cream.
Oh, that's good. And what kind of food we have here? We have spaghetti. We have our McFlurry. Wow, that's for you, Court. Is that for you, Kourtney? Say hi to your friends.
Yummy!
Say hi to your friends. Say hi to your friends at Playtime with Court. Dali. Court. Taking a video. She's just smiling. Yay. What's that?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets. Okay, you want to eat them with rice?
Yeah.
Okay.
No. This is chicken.
Wow. What is busy eating? Is that yummy? Tell me. Tell me if it's yummy.
What is yummy? It's yummy.
I don't know. What's your nugget sauce?
Oh yeah! Nugget sauce. It's time to
Wow, ito mo yun.
Look at hot.
You will dip the chicken nuggets there. Good. Saw it. Yummy good mga baby ni mama. Sarap naman yan.
It's a spicy even. It's spicy.
Wow. You need a tissue, God. You need to wipe your mouth, God. Wow. Can I have one? Give to Ninang also. Sausaw, kaise.
That's your sauce. Yummy.
Careful.
It's yummy.
Careful. Are you enjoying the food? It's nice. Okay. I'm going to post this on your channel. Okay. Tell them to subscribe your channel.
Okay.
Okay.
It's yummy.
You see? Wow.
They're not spicy either.
What? Are you
They're
okay?
not spicy.
Okay, you get a tissue, you wipe your mouth. Slowly, ha? Okay, good.
Pwede ma-upload kay Biboy pa hindi ma-eat ako food? Please.
So,
Please.
sure.
Ma, a chicken nuggets na and then need rice.
Of course, but you can eat them with rice because you need rice. You need energy.
This is yours.
Okay, be careful. Be
Oh,
careful.
this is your rice.
Okay.
I don't like that rice.
Can I taste this one? Mmm.
I'm not.
What about you, God? Eat your spaghetti now. What? Chicken nugget needs rice or not?
No.
Wow, it tastes good. Oreos? Crushed Oreos?
Mario. It's Mario the game. Mario.
Clean your mouth lang ga. Kourtney. Court.
No, it's yummy. This is
Lock your mouth. Lock your mouth.
great one. It's yummy. So,
Oh, eating challenge. It's not an eating challenge. So you finish that, ah? What the?
I should eat.
Great. What are you enjoying your spaghetti? Can I see you? OMG. Use your tissue.
This is the nose.
Use your tissue. You clean your mouth.
And his nose, please.
Okay, clean your mouth, got. Misha me. Up. Very good. Clean your mouth, good.
So you can get this now.
Ah, wow, subuing ah. That's good. Feeding your ate. Wow, thank you.
Yummy.
Yummy. You also give to Ninang, subo to Ninang. Jutay lang.
This is like a chicken.
Ah, yeah,
A
exactly.
small chicken.
Now you love McDo. Hmm? Chicken nuggets
I
from
come here
McDo.
every time.
Oh, not Jollibee anymore. Sometimes only.
Yeah. I think that goes to Jollibee.
Okay.
Because there's a chicken there.
Oh, subo also to go. Oh my gosh.
What got to
Hey, open your mouth.
I don't need any more got.
Oh, mine. Subo to Ninang. Subo
Not
to
anymore,
Ninang.
not anymore. I have a lot.
Can I get more, Mia? Because I'm so cold.
Oh, good. Okay, one more. Last. Sige, you finish all of that.
This is
Very good. Eating challenge, ha? Wow, your friends are watching Playtime with Kourtney. Kourtney's eating with McDo. But Jollibee is not here. Are you sad? Hmm?
Very better pot of bitter butter. Where's that bit bitter butter? Which very
Okay.
better pot?
Finish that.